Did you know that an estimated 1,328 emergency department visits and 100 hospitalizations were associated with accidental poisonous mushroom ingestion according to a recent CDC report? During 2016, 2018, 8.6%, 48 of 556 of patients who sought care for poisonous mushroom ingestions had a serious adverse outcome. Poisonous mushrooms, such as Amanita sp and others, can cause acute fatal liver necrosis. So, it is important to identify the poisonous nature of a mushroom at their supply chain, including input suppliers, producers, traders, processors, and consumers. The global mushroom market reached a value of $45.8 billion in 2020 and is expected to grow to more than $63 billion by 2027, according to a report by Research and Markets Agency. With this growing market and its impact on human health, it is incredibly important to identify the poisonous nature of mushrooms early in the distribution cycle. Fortunately, AITS engineers have devices with low-code TinyML algorithms that can detect if a mushroom is edible or poisonous by its specifications like cap shape, cap color, gill color, etc. AITS engineers have developed a low-code platform with templates to detect poisonous mushrooms using AI sensor fusion techniques and machine learning algorithms. A TinyML device connected with sensors that can measure shapes and sizes of mushroom features including gill, cap, stalk, veil, ring, etc. are used to run TinyML algorithms to detect poisonous mushrooms. Inputs extracted from sensor-fused streams are fed to autoML-generated deep learning models that are trained to an accuracy of over 99%. The deep learning model is easily created by mushrooms features in a dataset on a TinyML platform like cAInvas with preprocessing that includes normalization and augmentation, and training the model, resulting in an accurate model that is compiled with deepC. The resulting application is ported to a TinyML device that is mobile enough to run on batteries and with no internet connection in remote areas like farming, so you can easily carry it in your pocket to identify the poisonous mushroom yourself or help mushroom farming neighbors. With the current growth in mushroom farming, it is absolutely necessary to identify poisonous mushrooms at the source and throughout the supply chain. AITS engineers have already created inexpensive high-tech AI solutions that can quickly identify poisonous nature of mushrooms at the source before they become a health hazard. AITS engineers have found that sensor-fused solutions created with TinyML platforms like cAInvas help farmers to identify and remove poisonous mushrooms at the source, resulting in significant cost savings and efficiency gains. Studies have shown that using machine learning can reduce labor costs by up to 35%. TinyML technology can help farmers and other supply chain vendors by reducing labor costs and destroying poisonous mushrooms before they become a health hazard and a source for the next pandemic. Following URLs are referred to in this video. Check the description for the links. Contact us.